Hi friends, say anything for buying a phone from the iPhone 16 series and let me tell you all the new features one by one. First of all, the iPhone 16 looks like 11 and 12. You are wondering why it has a vertical camera. Because of having a special camera, I mean you will be able to take 3D photos and videos and it will work by adding an Apple. For many people, it won't be worth it. You can also do this with the volume button, don't leave it and then take more videos. With this one button, you will be able to control the entire camera. By light press, you will be able to click photos. By long press, you will be able to record video. By swiping, zoom in, zoom out, adjust focus, and many more things get done. It is really very useful, and it does other cool things like if you want to know about anything seen around you or want to translate anything, just open the camera, press the shutter button, and all the details will be in front of you. Google's things will be available in Google Pixel models as well and in 16 Pro models too. All its features have been given to you in all iPhone 16 series. Now coming to the camera, what upgrades have been done in the camera? With a 48 megapixel fusion camera you will get 2x telephoto is also available, and 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, which will help in macro situations also. Talking about the camera, it's quite impressive, but let's also dive into the performance. The iPhone 15 features the A16 chip, and the iPhone 16 has been upgraded to the A18 chip. Due to this upgrade, the gaming performance has improved a lot. This enhancement is available in both the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. I have to say I really like the colors the best. They are launched in a total of 5 colors. Now talking about the price, you can see the price of all the variants of iPhone 16 and 16 Plus on the screen. The iPhone 16 is priced at 79,900 rupees, and the 16 Plus is priced at 89,900 rupees. This was the same in non-Pro models. Now the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max look like the same older version. The main camera has a 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 12 megapixel 5x telescope camera. Then, photo ultra-wide macro or portrait will no doubt be a number, and you will be able to record video in more detail than before directly at 60 frames per second. You can record videos in 4K at 120 frames per second. Talking about performance, it has got the A18 processor, which is the most powerful processor of any smartphone so far. So, understand straight away that you will be able to do next-level gaming in it. Now there is nothing much just display. The size has been made a little bigger than before. Now this too will be called the biggest ever upgrade. The iPhone 16 Pro comes in a total of 4 colors. 16 Pro Max, color is black titanium, natural titanium, white titanium, and desert titanium, and the price is also iPhone 16 Pro price is 19,900 rupees, and 16 Pro Max price is 44,900 rupees. And in all the models, you will get the support of Apple Intelligence. AI can summarize a sentence, can change the writing tone. If there is a grammatical mistake, then it will correct that too. It can even summarize the notification on the lock screen. And the most interesting thing is that you can create AI emoji from text. The feature of removing unwanted things from photos has also come. Which features have been in Android? Please tell me by commenting when. All that is fine, but a 60Hz display in 2024, this thing is beyond the understanding of the Apple people. There is only this much to tell about the iPhone 16 series. In the comments, tell me if you have an iPhone or an Android. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Wait for it, bye-bye, and have a great day. And